Every day we go for cheap packaging, we cause this. I'm hoping that you are glad to watch this display of our punishment to Mother Nature. Wait, is that so? With us here is a dump site, the last resort of our waste.
Greetings, today I'm on a hill. This hill, of course you can ask yourself, how comes we have an hill on a valley? And this hill, what is it doing here? If you look around, there is some settlement of a town, and this town that is here is called Kitengela town. But there is this big question, what is this hill doing here? As you can see, this hill is full of waste, and majority of this waste is plastic. Just look around, everywhere is plastic paper. You see, if this waste was made of organic materials, by now it could have decomposed. But because it is made up of plastic, it has piled up, and that is why we have a hill just on the bottom of a valley. Because you can see, normally as it is supposed to be, as nature is, this up here is a valley. It is a cemetery. This is a Muslim cemetery, of course. It is a valley, and this is the lowest point of this valley. But as you can see here, it is not a valley as usual. It is a hill made up of plastic piled over many years. Here was supposed to be a river, but you can see, instead of a river, we have some water that has been piled. This water is very dirty and very harmful. And as you can see on the other side of the hill, I was to take you through a tour of how huge this hill is, but I am afraid, because I'm seeing some people there who might do anything to me that can be conning or whatsoever, because I'm alone actually. This hill here is giving off some fumes, and you see some people come here to burn. These fumes are very toxic to the surrounding around here. A question to some parents: here are some diapers of your children thrown here in this hill. You can see they try to burn these plastic bags for many years, but they do not burn completely. And remember, when you burn plastic, it is going to emit some fumes that go to our atmosphere. Inasmuch our government is doing its best to control the use of plastic, to control this pollution, air pollution that is caused by the burning plastic. Not only that, the gases emitted by this plastic, some of them are PVC pipes or whatsoever type of plastic. The fumes that are going to result to the formation of acid rain that has resulted to the corrosions that you're seeing around. You can see the iron sheets on the town there. They are corroded, they have rusted just because of this hill. There is a day that I passed here and I saw some people trying to tell the government to take away this hill because it is affecting the community around here. But I don't know whether the government is ready to take it away, because I'm assuming that this is a dump site. This dump site, therefore, is supposed not to be close to human settlement. But I know one thing for sure, maybe the government does not allow people to stay here, but because people have no alternative and the land close to dump sites is cheaper, they have come and settled close to this dump site. So again, a question to you, who is staying close to this hill? Is it the government's problem or yours by staying close to this place? Remember, the fumes that come from this dump site are very toxic. Just see plastic, glass, and some tough materials. We can see this is a marabou. I think it's marabou stock there. walking here trying to seek for something to eat, but I don't see anything to be eaten here because this is plastic. Let us remember, plastic does not decompose. Can we try our best to go away from plastic? And I believe that these papers that are here, most of them are from the past, because our country Kenya has tried to go away, to do away with plastic. But if you see, majority of the plastic here are black papers. These are the papers that are used for collection of waste from our homes. This is where they land. But it is quite discouraging. See the pollution that has been caused to this river. As I told you, this is a valley, but next to it is a hill, a huge hill of dust. And there is a river here. I know somebody somewhere is drinking the water, because after some time this water is going to be purified, but let me tell you, it is not going to be free from the bacteria that has been dissolved from this hill that is on this other side. So it is a challenge to us Kenyans to try our best to live a plastic free environment. Let us save Mother Nature, because at the end of the day, when we burn these plastics, the fumes that are going to be emitted will affect us health wise. Not only that, they are going to act as greenhouse gases, which are the greatest reason behind global warming. This global warming has the biggest chances to result to the varied weather patterns that we are experiencing. So it is just an urge to you that we do away with this waste. Thank you for today. Bye.